Hi, I've just upgraded my fridge to a new Dometic RMD 10.5T. The beauty of this fridge is that it's the same width as the old one, but it's got twice as much capacity. How do you work that out then? Well, I'll show you. You can open it from this side, which is her fridge. So in here she's got the old Pinot, spaghetti, tagliatelle, some other quite boring stuff. And on my side of the fridge, which is over here, we've got beer, pork pie, sausage rolls, honey mustard sausages, you know, stuff that the average man would take on his camping trip. So, all in all, bloody good value. Twice as much value than the old one. Happy camping.